Hey guys, since y'all go here, making another video. Or you can call me Arm Boss 87. Making another video. Modern Minecraft. Called ToolBox. Yeah. Ow. Yeah. Let's do this. I like Minecraft. Who like Minecraft? I like Minecraft. Let's do this. I need some wood. The sprint isn't working.
Oh, I'm scared.
If you hear the voices, that's either my brother playing, my tablet, or my cousin making her video. We like Minecraft. I like Minecraft. I'm not gonna try to cheat as much unless I'm mining in the cave and I need some wood. We like Minecraft. I like Minecraft. Okay, let's go mining. And maybe some food. Food. Let's do some steak. I like Minecraft. Never ending steak. Minecraft. We love Minecraft. You love Minecraft. I love Minecraft. X-ray vision. Ooh. My God. Oh, cool. Mine that. That'll never work. I'm mining dirt. I'm not gonna use that much unless we're probably in the cave. Episode 1. Let's do this. I love Minecraft. I love Minecraft. Okay, I'm back. Wasn't cheating or anything. Oh, what am I doing? What am I doing? Okay, guys, so I have a big question. Do you think I should spawn my sword that has unbreaking 100, sharpness 10, a wooden sword, and looting 10? Comment below if you want me to do that. I'm already sprinting here. Oh, I gotta go faster. Okay, I'm back. I'm just trying to fix my speed. Gotta go faster. Like Sonic speed.
Somebody else has a sharp.
Meow. Hut. 360, let's go spin. Okay, so day 1. Nothing. You know what? Guys, sorry, but hold on. Let me just find it. Okay. So I'm gonna place down the thing. Let's do this! Yeah, decapitating. This makes my work even easier. But it does use a lot of my extra ability. This is like a toolbox, not like a modded. Just kind of a mini items. Modded. Well, day 1, getting wood. Wonder what day 2 is gonna be like.
Level 10.
Day 2.
30 coins. Oh
I'm
my
here with my brother. He's not going to join because he doesn't want to.
gosh. I want to join
Okay, never mind. He's going to join. I'm here with my little brother and
2 matches.
my cousin. It's his YouTube channel. But I can't find it. I may, never mind. I don't know. If I find her channel, I'll subscribe to her and no, wait. I'll tell her to search up my account, and then I'll tell her to comment, and then when she comments, just watch this video and click on her account thing, and you can find her thing. She's trying to figure out how to say you're making a video and you mess up, right? You still have the mess up part in it, but then you just pretty much it's like you're pausing it, but you're not. You just do it all over again. Everything's the same. Wait, I don't know how she meant it, but everything's gonna be all right. So let's build a house.
Rocket jump key.
Yum yum. Yum yum. I have no idea what kind of house my house is gonna be. They don't like Minecraft, just so y'all know. Who doesn't like Minecraft? I like Minecraft. They don't like Minecraft. I like Minecraft. They don't like Minecraft. Move, pig. Get out the way. Oh, one more step. Yeah, I'm the best. Hey, look at the mini map. It shows my house. I like Minecraft. My brother can probably get this app.
What is it?
ToolBox for Minecrift PE. Uh-huh. Even, not even. Nope, not anymore. Hold on, guys. I think it's on peaceful mode. Mobs should start spawning. Yep, you can already tell. A minimap. See spider, a creeper. He's gone. Oh, there he is. The reason why I can't see, the reason I'm not placing blocks right, is because there's a mini map and okay, it's scaring me. I thought they're coming towards me. They want to get blown up. You know me, hate blowing up. Aww. Oh, creeper. This spider's so smart. Oh my gosh, spider can see from a really high distance. I can't die right now. Ha! It's like a... I'm scared. Add. Home. Home. Still alive. Man, spiders are really smart. Ready to join now, please?
One.
I love Minecraft.
25 XP. They're seeing me around me.
They hating, especially me. I need 2 sheep. I see 4 sheep. I need both. Both. So if I jump, auto weird jump. Well, I don't want to sprint anymore. I'll be sprinting. You go back to normal. I'll be sprinting. Nope. There it goes. Jump, won't do anything.
What should I buy with 88 money?
88 coins?
Yeah.
88?
Yeah.
Is there a sell?
Yeah, it's on sale.
No. You should buy...
I can almost buy this sniper.
Buy double tap boots.
Double tap boots?
Cheap. Well, not cheap. It's so expensive, but
Allows to double jump.
I have them.
Want to get it?
You can, yeah. More videos coming soon. This is the first night of this world.
Want to join?
Yeah. I think I can teleport to you, to me. I don't know.
Hey, can I get the map app you sent?
Yeah.
Is it just gonna be like the circle map
Called
too?
ToolBox. What?
Is it gonna have the circle map?
Yeah. It's called ToolBox.
My battery's low. Here, since you're a fast typer and stuff.
Okay. So bye guys.